Okay. Alright, hi, my name's Brandon, and this is my new Evo system. Just got it in the mail today. We're just going to check it out. Here's the front of it. Evo system, handled with care. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. And another box. That stuff. Okay. Hey Nathan, could you grab that for me? Alright. Okay. Here's my Evo console box. System of Tomorrow. Evolution, I think that has something to do with the software. Envisions is where it came from, and we're going to get inside of it. Okay. Another box? No. Okay. Another box. There is the front, I'm guessing, of my Evo. Here you go, bud. Okay. Here's my Evo. What do we got in here? Some more stuff. Controller and wireless controller receiver. And a game. Little SD card. Okay. Can you take that? Appreciate it. Get to Evo. Alright. Here is the front of my Evo. It's got some USB ports, and if I can get the light right, that's where the SD card goes. You know, disk drive here. The power button and a couple lights, I'm guessing, go into the hard drive, and the logo, Evo Smart Console. There's the side of it. You can see inside, kinda. It's two fans. On the top, you can see down into it. Looks like there's another fan or some sort of heat sink. I don't know. Here's the back. It looks like a computer. Has HD port, computer PC monitor port, Ethernet, and some other stuff, audio, all that stuff, and that looks like, I don't know, yeah, the power supply goes right there, and then here's the other side of it. You can see inside of it. Alright. So I'm going to set this up, and I will get back to you in just a second.